quality, and on time. 40 Days is a mark of highly detailed architectural finishing. Our mission is to create state-of-the-art products and implement innovative technology. One team to get your space with high-end finish work. Coordinate with the woodwork factory to ensure accurate production. We develop detailed fabrication and installation drawings for custom-made elements. With an agile approach, we ensure effective communication. With BIM and CAD, we do detailed engineering drawings. 40 Days coordinate with third-party agencies for construction testing. Our engineering scope of work encompasses the overall coordination, management, and execution of fit-out, custom-made fabrication, and architectural finishes. With years of experience in the industry, we have successfully completed numerous projects for a diverse range of retail and commercial clients. Our scope of work was general contractor and FF&E. Our expertise extends to both interior and exterior, enabling us to provide comprehensive solutions. We are passionate about creating inspiring commercial spaces, elevating your brand presence. Contact us today. 40 Days. Time matters.